In today's video I want to show you guys how you can fix the problem that you have a dark screen here on your Samsung TV. Okay, for the first step, what we can do to fix this problem is that we go here all the way to the left and here from the home menu and then down into the settings. Then here to the right on all settings. So and here in all settings we go down on picture. Go here to the right and put the picture mode on standard, not on echo, on standard. And then go down here on the expert settings and here make sure that you turn the brightness up. If you have like an option for backlight or something like that, then also try to turn this up. So this is really important. So and if this doesn't work, then what you also can try to do is that we go down here, fully go down, and here we can try to reset the full picture. Sometimes this also helps to fix like a dark screen problem. And yeah, what also can be the case is that you don't have activated the settings for all sources. So make sure that you go here up and here make sure that you apply the picture settings for all sources. This is really important. Okay. And yeah, when you have done this, then your dark screen problem should be fixed. If not, then you can try to unplug every single device you have plugged in into the TV. So there can be an HDMI port, USB port, and every other port, because sometimes some devices can block or can lead to dark screen problems. So what we can do is that we unplug everything and look if the problem is fixed after that. What you also can try to do is that you turn the TV off, then wait like 2 minutes, and after that you can easily plug in the TV cable again. And sometimes this also helps to fix like the dark screen problem here. Okay. And if this doesn't work, what we also can try to do is that we go here to the left and then go down on general, then on support, then here to the right on software update, and here you can try to do a software update. And if this doesn't work, then I recommend to go on general, on privacy, then go all the way down, and then you can try to do a factory reset, and after that your display problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.